three books that I would recommend that anyone reads that are great books. Number one, Never Split the Difference by Chris Voss. So in this book, he is the head FBI negotiator, right? The hostage negotiator. And he teaches you about not just doing what you see commonplace every day. Hey, you know, we're $10 apart. Let's just split the difference. You eat five, I'll eat five, right? So he actually goes into the psychology of it, and he teaches you how to negotiate properly. Number two, David Goggins, You Cant Hurt Me. This is a very powerful book. It outlines his journey in the SEALs and stuff like that. He really challenges you to every day do something that makes you very uncomfortable. So for me, I went out and I got a deep freezer, filled it with water, and when I'm feeling brave, I take ice water baths. After that, everything else seems insignificant, right? Number three would be Think and Grow Rich. One of the things I took away from that book is hope. And, you know, he said very clearly in the book that, you know, his son was born without ears. And they said, there's nothing you can do about it. And he said, there's always something I can do about it, even if that means adjusting myself to the situation. So he spoke to his son, even though there was no ears. And after time, his son began to hear. And the greatest part about that, his son went on to become the top salesperson for hearing aids when they came out.